So, I don't know if you noticed, but these steps are almost completely in shadow now. So, I'm going to keep going till they're completely in shadow. So, something interesting to think about is why that shadow is moving and why it's moving at the rate it's moving. So the Earth is orbiting the sun at a certain velocity, which I don't have memorized. I can look it up. That's not terribly important for the purposes of this question, although it is important. So I'll have to figure out how to work that number in. What's more important is that the Earth is rotating about its axis, and the axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees, if I remember right, from the plane of the ecliptic, or the plane that the Earth is orbiting the sun, basically. And so the important part is that the Earth is rotating, and it's something, if I remember right, something more than rotational velocity at sea level is between 900 and 1,000 miles an hour, if I remember correctly, and I could be completely wrong on it. So, given the fact that here at 4,000 feet in town, we're 4,000 feet farther from the center of rotation of the Earth than sea level is, our velocity, I can't tell you the equation off the top of my head, but our velocity at 4,000 feet is some fraction higher, faster than the velocity of rotation at sea level. So if we crunch those numbers, and I plan on doing so, we'll find this place where I'm running is rotating from west to east. As I'm standing here, it's from my right to left, and when I turn around, from my left to right. Because right now I'm facing north, and when I get up here and turn around, now I'm facing south. So I'm sure you can do that math in your head. Right to left, left to right. Main thing is that the Earth is rotating from west to east. So it's spinning underneath the sun, which nine-ish light minutes away, we can say for all intents and purposes, is holding still. So the Earth's just turning under it. And as this building to the east intervenes between the light the sun is casting and these steps, gradually the building's shadow moves across the steps, and I'm no longer in the sunlight of the sun. I am, however, because of what God does for me and what my beautiful Alexandra does for me, I am, whether I'm in shadow or not, daylight or night, I am walking in the sunlight of the Spirit. And I'm going to keep going until the light is completely off of these steps. It'll be interesting to see how much longer it'll take. I don't think it'll take much longer. Maybe 20 minutes at the most. So I'll close this one down.